Hey, what's going on? This is Trusted Brumskin, aka Cinco, and welcome to Mock Mondays. Today is National Hot Buttered Rum Day. So, we're going to be showing you how to make hot buttered rum, and this cocktail is presented by our good friends over at Lyre's Non-Alcoholic Spirits Company. Before we get started with the cocktail, I'm going to show you make the batter really quick. I have all the ingredients listed above. So what we do first is we're going to take all of our dry goods, add them to a mixing bowl, and we're going to stir or combine those ingredients together. Then after that, we're going to add our ice cream and then stir or combine again. And once we've combined all those ingredients together, our batter's ready to use. For our cocktail, we're going to use 2 bar spoons or 2 teaspoons of our homemade batter and add that to our mug. And then we're going to pour 2 ounces of the Lyre's Spice Cane Spirit. For this cocktail, I'm using Lyre's because I'm celebrating Dry January, and Lyre's is a really great non-alcoholic spirits brand. Lyre's has a full range and variety of non-alcoholic spirits, so if you're celebrating Dry January like me or looking for an elevated cocktail experience, Lyre's is definitely the brand to go with. So we added our batter and our Lyre's Spice Cane Spirit. Now we're going to add our hot apple cider. We're going to fill up our mug, add this to our cocktail, leaving just a little bit of room for our garnish. Once we've added our hot apple cider, we're going to grab our bar spoon or our teaspoon and we're going to stir and combine all the ingredients together, breaking up that batter and letting it combine with all of the spirits in our cocktail. Once you stirred or combined all the ingredients for your cocktail together in your mug, you're ready to add your ground nutmeg and star anise garnishes on the top. And voila, you have hot buttered rum cocktail ready to be enjoyed. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your presentation. I'm Trusted Brumskin, aka Cinco, and this is Mock Mondays. See you next week. Peace.